Good morning, this is Mustafa Karimi, and this is my ROS Individual Presentation. So let's start off by pasting in the launch file command, and what this does is that it opens Gazebo, RViz, spawns in the turtle bot, turns on nav2, and also opens my GUI all in one go. Now if we just wait for a second, the GUI should pop up. In the meantime, this is what my warehouse looks like. Okay, so we have the GUI as well now. So first off, let's try setting this position as 2D pose estimate. If I just click this button, then it should automatically set this position as the 2D pose estimate. Now, let's try getting the robot to go to rack A. This one. So as you can see in RViz, it creates a path, this green path in green, and it tries to follow it. And the red line here shows which direction it's currently trying to move in. Now that it has reached the position, let's try and get it to return back to its original position, which was here. Now that I've shown that I can go to racks and come back, now let's test the obstacle avoidance aspect of this. So let's try telling the TurtleBot to go to rack F. Normally, this would be the most optimal path. So let's try blocking it off maybe around here, this aisle section here. So if I put a couple of obstacles and then ask it to go to rack F, let's see what happens. Originally, it will try and follow the original position, the original path that it created. You can see here that it starts to detect that there's obstacles here using the LiDAR. And now it tries to avoid these obstacles. Sometimes if it gets too close to an obstacle or a wall or anything, then what it does is that it backs up by about 1 meter and then tries to create a new route from there. So you can see here that it's following this new route. Okay, one thing I would like to show before ending the presentation here is this feature right here. Export reports. I can use this to save data that has been collected throughout this whole simulation, such as this time here and distance values. Another feature I have is auto localize. So usually you would have to click 2D pose estimate in RViz and then click on the position that the TurtleBot is currently at. But if I use auto localize, it will automatically figure out where the TurtleBot is and set that as 2D pose estimates. And I think that is about it. Thank you for listening.